Hola, Miss Bass here with your instructions for today. Today we're going to be working on Project 8. For Project 8, we're going to start practicing our new vocabulary and our new structures. The first thing you're going to do, as usual, you're going to report your attendance right here. You're going to find this video here to help you with the instructions. And then you're going to go to this photo. In this photo, you are going to respond to this. It says, listen to the example and record your answers to the question, ¿Cómo eres? This is your new vocabulary. You are going to find it in your vocabulary 3 that I have been posting in your class plans. So you listen.
Hola, ¿cómo eres?
Soy deportista.
The only thing that you have to do is to answer the question, ¿Cómo eres? And you answer in the way that the person in the recording did it. That's for your warm-up. Now, right here, you had your instructions for your project. It says, remember the project, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? So back then, we were working on a project. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? I'm going to open it. I have it right here. I'm going to open it. This is your project that you did back then. So, let's go back to the instruction. You work on a poster about likes and dislikes using the vocabulary seen in class. That's what you're going to do today too. Today you will create a similar Padlet, and I put the link there for Padlet, just for those who did not do the Padlet back there. So you're gonna have to start from scratch, but we can modify ours. So you're gonna create a similar Padlet talking about your best friend, including. So it says title. This is what they call title. I'm going to move here, down here. So when you go here to settings, this is what they call title. So in our instructions, it's asking that the title is going to be a greeting. Since I already have a greeting, I'm going to leave that same greeting. And then it says that the description, in the description is what you're going to start modifying. It says mi amigo favorito o mi amiga favorita. If I'm going to talk about a boy that is my best friend, then I use mi amigo favorito. But if I am going to talk about a girl that is my best friend, I'm going to use mi amiga favorita. And then se llama, in this line, you're going to put the name of your friend. So I'm going to modify this part that says description, and I'm going to put mi amiga favorita se llama Alexandra. And I'm going to leave the same icon that I have. You can modify yours if you want. Maybe I can find something here that I like. Mi amiga favorita. En actividades. No sé. Tal vez. Maybe this. Okay, so I'll change my icon. So I can change the icon, and I'm going to close there because I had that part. That's the first part. Then it says you're going to put 5 things that he or she likes or does not like to do, and an adjective to describe him or her. Now I had to think about my friend. So I'm going to edit this. And my friends, let's say that she likes, my friend, I know she likes to read. So I'm going to put, instead of me gusta or no me gusta, I'm going to put le gusta leer. And I have to change the image. So I'm going to look for a new image. Right here. And this person doesn't look, this one, I like that one. So there is my new image. So I have the image. Okay. I went ahead and paused it for a minute and I completed. So you see, I put le gusta leer, no le gusta nadar, le gusta bailar, le gusta dibujar, no le gusta esquiar. This le gusta is she likes. She likes. And now, what my plan says, so it says right here that is 5 things he or she likes or does not like to do, and an adjective to describe him or her. For example, le gusta escribir cuentos, es talentoso. No le gusta practicar deportes, no es deportista. So I already put the likes and dislikes. So what I need to add now is the adjective. And I need to put an adjective that describes, and it says right here to put an image with that too. So let's do that. So we're going to do that. We're going to add the adjectives now. So I'm going to move now up here because I need to add some more. So here's where I start adding some more. So, no le gusta esquiar. I'm going to put no es atrevida. I put atrevida because atrevida is a feminine form in my friend's girl. So I put atrevida. No es atrevida. And I am going to look for a word. Now I try to look for a word. Picture, an image. This one is perfect, I think. Okay, no es atrevida. So I put that. Oh, what happened with... I think this one's got together. Okay. Now for le gusta leer, I'm going to put le gusta leer es paciente. Somebody who likes to read is patient. Well, as you may have noticed, I paused for a minute and then I completed the whole thing. So you see I put what she likes to do and what I think she is like. So she likes to dance, she's talented, she doesn't like to ski, she's not daring, she likes to draw, she's artistic, she likes to read, she's patient, she does not like to swim, she's lazy. What is not really true. She's not lazy, but okay. But I'm describing my friend. So once I have that, my project is done. This is what I want you to do. I want you, once you have your project, you're going to get me this link, and this is what you're going to submit on Canvas. And here's the description of the points that you're going to do, that you're going to get. And if you need instructions how to create a Padlet, I put the same video that I put for the past Padlet that you created. And I'm going to put this example here. So you are all set. Please let me know if you have any questions or you need any help. Just send me an email. I'll be working on my work hours. See you later. Adios.